Hello YouTube, FireLaser here. Welcome to another YouTube video. Now, yesterday I didn't upload because I just had to take a day off. So yeah, today's video, I was going through groceries, putting stuff away, and I stumbled upon this drink I'd never seen before. It's called Nature's Twist. Sugar-free blueberry lemon. Nowadays, probably shouldn't trust anything that says sugar-free because, could add a little bit of sugar to it, but that's not why I'm here. I'm here because I'm gonna review this juice drink twist. I get it. It says twist because you twist the top off. Boom. So, this is blueberry lemon, sugar free. So, I'm gonna test it for you guys. The color of it looks purple. Tastes good. Taste that lemon. Taste that blueberry flavor with the lemon. It's really good. Let's finish it, baby. That was good. Tastes like lemonade, but a blueberry lemonade. So, this was the review of Nature's Twist of blueberry lemon, sugar free. So, if I give that out of 10, I say like a 9. It's pretty good. So, hope you guys enjoy this video. This was a drink review video for today. Please like and subscribe. This has been FireLaser, and I'm putting this video out. See ya.